Rolling out AI in HR? If your people don't trust it, it won't land. Here are 5 ways to build that trust fast. Tip 1. Explain the why behind the AI tool. Don't just say what it does. Show how it supports your people and improves their work. Tip 2. Set boundaries early. Be clear where AI helps and where human judgment still leads. That clarity builds confidence. Tip 3. Name the AI that's already in use. Whether it's CV screening or engagement tools, calling it out helps normalize it. Tip 4. Build in human override moments. Let people know they can step in when AI isn't enough. That's how you create trust. Tip 5. Celebrate your pilot wins. Even the small ones, like a chatbot saving someone 20 minutes, can build momentum and belief. AI won't replace HR, but trust can replace fear. Start there. To understand how to lead in human-machine collaboration, check out our essential guide to HR's role in the human-machine workplace. It offers key insights, frameworks, and tools to help you take action, all without requiring technical expertise.